Hello and welcome! Today we are in Elviria, one of Marbella's most in-demand areas for holiday stays on the Costa del Sol. Today we're visiting a lovely two-bedroom, two-bathroom house with swimming pool in the residential complex of Los Iris. Let's take a closer look inside. Don't forget to book your summer holidays in Elviria. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next property tour.
The vision's like a dream.